Maximus Analysis here for November 21st, 2016, and we are currently still to the upside for the ES. Okay, going to test the target area that we've placed on the newsletter. Again, those that get the newsletter, please understand that it does come from max@maximusanalysis.com. It comes out on Monday, usually around noon or around 10 to noon. Again, going through a lot of different names, and a lot of names have actually popped up very well today. Now, with that being said, I did explain some stuff that I wanted to make sure that people never chase the trade. Again, chasing the trade means that, again, a lot of people that were not long going into the election are now wanting to get long with a breakout. My question to you is, where are you going to put your stop? Okay, you have to be mature. You got to remember that, again, fear of missing out is a trade that will always get you squeezed. And looking to see when we're potentially going to retrace, we do have a big resistance level at 2191 to 2186. But again, a lot of things for the ES are looking good so far. I just don't know how much juice they have in the tank. Again, clearing above this level with some type of oomph, and again, my targets are clearly shown and have been shown for 2 weeks in regards to the upside potential. If you are currently in the long, roll your stop up. Don't be a pig. Don't add to the position, and basically do not become euphoric, because that's the time when you're typically going to get hosed. Now, this is the daily chart for the ES. Let's look at the weekly chart, and you can see we held this area that we defined as the support level into the election, but right now we have small candles. Last week's volume was pretty low, but again, this week has just started, but it started off with a good momentum, but we're very close. And again, if you put your stop below here, dude, just wait for the trade. Just always wait for the trade. Okay, so again, I cannot stress that enough, that you need to wait for your setup to come, and don't revenge trade. Now, that can mean that you, again, are mad that you missed the trade and quote unquote froze. Treat this like, treat your hard-earned money with some level of respect, and make sure that you don't do anything silly, because they did the same thing. Again, if you look at my July 22nd newsletter, same thing I was telling people: do not go long, do not go long, do not go long. Again, we went long with a bullish bias here, quarter position, roll your stop up accordingly and treat it like a business. Again, going into crude, has held beautifully the 4312 area that we had on the newsletter. Going into this support area, we see that it has held in the past numerous times, and quite honestly, I think that we're growing up to test those 53 highs, but we'll just watch to see how much volume we got going into that area. Again, right now the position could be, if you took it today, again, you're trading on the weekly time frame. If you took it based on the daily, you should be well into break even right now. Again, you got in around 43.87. You're already about $3-4 in, which equates to about 3,000 per contract. Roll your stop up if you got some. Now time is to go break even on your stop and just let it run. Intraday, crude can be a beast, but in regards to right now, I would say this is the position you want to be in. Facebook, great move today. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see, again, holding the level that I had here with a hammer formation, as explained in the newsletter. And again, our upward targets are here. Again, you could see, just have the targets, because again, multiple targets I post also in regards to going all the way up. It's not just this final target. There are numerous targets that you could then peel off your position into strength based on risk reward ratios, similar to what I did in regards to gold. When we had that little pop up, I was like, listen, we hit 2 of 4 of my targets, peel some off, and it rolled back over in a hard way. But again, to understand the mindset of what is going on, just we'll see how the rest of the week goes. Remember, Thursday is Thanksgiving, but I also want to make a great announcement today, is that I actually have my site up. Here's my site, and I'm very excited to launch it now. Again, it goes over, again, similar to what you've been seeing, again, on YouTube. Again, people that just subscribed, I have over 600 videos doing them daily for people, going over the indexes, and now I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into the charts, and also sector analysis, and also trading mentality to kind of say, okay, you know, how to treat this like a business and not just treat it like a hobby. Trust me, if you need a hobby, go find drone flying, go lift weights, go whatever. This is not a, I don't think you should use this as a hobby, putting your hard-earned money, if you're not going to have some type of system to put in place. And again, go dig into trading ideas, trading mentality, you know, having indicators that you can use consistently. Also, what I'll be doing is, again, I don't know if you've been watching on Twitter, that every morning I've been posting for months now, day trading levels for those that day trade. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to day trade, but this will give you levels that, again, I think that day traders, people don't understand. I believe that day trading could be done on a 60-minute, 30-minute, but this would give you something that you could definitely use levels to help you with your day trading strategy that you already have in place. Now I'm going to be giving levels on gold, ES, NASDAQ, and crude every single morning. Every night I am going to be giving levels for the Forex traders that trade in overnight, or the Euro section. We'll be getting the British pound, the Euro, and the yen. And all of this, again, with the same weekly newsletter, giving stock market analysis, giving the videos, and also doing, again, trading mentality to kind of let you know, again, this is not the time to trade, or think about the trade before, to help you along that way. All that will be, again, all these different services on, you know, again, my membership is not going to be extensively expensive. It's actually $49.99 a month for all of these different type of things I'll be putting into place. And I'll also be, you know, really digging into the charts to kind of show some of my process to, again, help you to become a better trader. Again, to take you along the journey. Again, I've given a lot of material to help people become better traders, and to not, again, to treat this like a business, not to just look at Twitter. And again, everybody on Twitter is 100% right all the time. They never tell you, but to have a stop, target, show you how to get a target, show you how to get a stop, you know, a lot of different things people don't even talk about, which is the basics of trading. So, and again, also going into some options education accordingly. But again, I think that people put the cart before the horse in regards to that subject. They want to learn about options, but don't know how to trade. You have to learn how to trade, and then you will learn about options accordingly. So very excited about this. You can email me at max@maximusanalysis.com right here. And again, really looking forward to starting this service. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Take care, and see you tomorrow.